Hello, in front of me I've got Razer Synapse. In this video I'll show you how to set up Razer HyperShift and what it is. Razer HyperShift is a special function thanks to which you can quickly change mapping of your mouse. It works like this. Let's go to Razer Synapse. Here, select HyperShift and now adjust mapping for the HyperShift mode. Once it's done, let's go back to standard and on this standard, assign HyperShift function to the button. Now, if you press this button, you will change mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.